A 3x3 determinant can be evaluated in no time using Sarrus rule. Let's see how. We take a 3x3 matrix with elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we apply Sarrus rule to evaluate its determinant. We write the elements of a matrix twice. We multiply these elements diagonally in this way. Multiply 1, 5, 9 and write 1 into 5 into 9 plus multiply 2, 6, 7 and write 2 into 6 into 7 plus multiply 3, 4, 8 and write 3 into 4 into 8 minus multiply 7, 5, 3 and write 7 into 5 into 3 minus multiply 8, 6, 1 and write 8 into 6 into 1 minus multiply 9, 4, 2 and write 9 into 4 into 2. Now we simplify this expression and write A determinant is equal to 45 plus 84 plus 96 minus 105 minus 48 minus 72. After simplifying, we get A determinant to be 225 minus 225, which eventually becomes A determinant is equal to 0. In this way, we can evaluate a 3x3 determinant in no time. We can also use this technique to evaluate determinants with higher order 4x4, 5x5 and so on.